Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, crafters. In this video, I will show you how to make fake whipped cream glue, a fun and versatile embellishment for many projects. First, let's gather our materials. You will need silicone caulk, cornstarch, and acrylic paint for color. Also, have a mixing bowl, a spatula, and some piping bags on hand. Remember to work in a well-ventilated space because of the caulk scent. This simple guide will help you create realistic-looking whipped cream for your craft. Now, let's get to mixing our glue base. Start by dispensing approximately 1 cup of silicone caulk into your mixing bowl. Next, gradually incorporate about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch helps to thicken the caulk and give it that whipped cream consistency. Mix these two ingredients thoroughly with your spatula until you achieve a smooth, uniform texture without any lumps. This step is crucial for a good foundation. Consistent practice is crucial for improvement. Begin by practicing basic strokes like loops, curves, and straight lines. Then, move on to individual letter forms, focusing on their correct formation. Use lined paper to help maintain uniform letter height and spacing. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused practice. This regular effort will yield noticeable improvements over time. Finally, it is time to pipe your creations. Transfer the fake whipped cream glue into a piping bag fitted with your preferred star tip. Pipe your designs onto your craft project immediately after mixing, as it begins to set quickly. Once you have finished piping, allow your beautiful creations to cure completely. This process typically takes at least 24 hours, ensuring your fake whipped cream glue is firm and durable for your finished piece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.